Look, I see the stars in the roof. I just ran out 10,000 in balloons. I had dropped like 1,000 on boo. It's just me, my mama, and my crew. You ain't late no weekend with you. You ain't getting a weekend pay with you. Niggas capping, flagging.
Bitch, I'm from New York, New York. Bitch, I'm from New York. Bitch, I'm from New York, New York. Bitch, I'm from New York. Bitch, I'm from New York, New York. Bitch, I'm from New York. Hey, hey, hey. What did the 2 men start crying? It's like 6:19 a.m. You know what I'm saying? Too early for this. Too early for this. I'm so tired. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go home to Toronto now. You know what I'm saying? Finally, time to leave New York. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. We late slept for like 3 hours. And we about to catch this flight back. Once I get home, I'm about to K, and then I'm about to edit these videos. So without further ado, let's make our way home to Toronto. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna sleep on the flight, but let's get it.
She know I can't take it, no, no, no. And no, it ain't nothing to get this top knocked off. I get anything from Potter, I ain't worried about the cost. I can't look for anything if it ain't. To this day, I'm knowing that she proud of me. She say I'm going up and she say that she can see. I choose, I don't know what to believe. She know I can't take it, no, no, no. Literally.
Man, just got to the airport, you know what I'm saying? We crying right now. We gotta take some shuttle buses. I swear we took like 30 different buses, but okay, no mans are running. No mans are running. Mans are crying. Mans are crying. Mans are crying. Shit, yeah, like I said, you know what I'm saying? I'm crying, I'm crying, I'm crying, I'm crying, I'm crying. But yeah, too early. You know what I'm saying? About to take this flight home. Okay. And then I'm gonna just edit these videos for y'all, you know what I'm saying? The grind don't stop. We're on the way to 5K this year, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, pick it up when we're past customs and in the airport. So we could have.
No, YouTube. Back this guy said he wanted to walk.
I swear we could have.
That shit took
30 years. He's crying, he's crying, he's crying. What did you 2 mans made it past, you know, the front gates at the airport. We're kind of in. We're about to go to our gate, you know what I'm saying, board our flight and head home. Too early for this, but I'm just trying to get home, take a nap, you know what I'm saying, bang out these videos. So I'll update y'all when we get on the plane, you know what I'm saying. I might throw a little B-roll in there, but you know what I'm saying. I'll update y'all when we get on the plane. Let's get it.
I'm so sorry for the hold up. These niggas hating on me cause I violate niggas and saying they.
My man made it. Man took years to get out.
Yes, sir.
We made it past the airport, you know what I'm saying? We're back in Toronto, you know what I'm saying? The trip is finally done. What do you got to say?
Back to work.
What?
Yo, man's are crying.
Yeah. To this day, I'm knowing that she proud of me. She say I'm going up and she say that she